Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to be showing you very quickly the best areas to bake on your face. This is where I bake predominantly most of the time. So let me show you. Now, I'm not a massive fan of over baking underneath the eyes. So let me show you the areas I think it looks the most beautiful because it does. So the first area is right here in the inner corner. Now, the reason I like to bake there is because when you smile, this area doesn't wrinkle as much as all of here. So this is a great area and it adds a beautiful brightness to the skin. I also like to bake right here at the nostril area. I like to bake right at the corner going up because this lifts the outside area of the face, creating a beautiful lifted effect. I also like to bake right here on the outside corner of the lip because it sharpens it and makes it look really beautiful, and of course underneath the cheekbone, and this kind of joins then with this area. Now, another place that I like to bake, and it's very subtle, is right above the arch of the eyebrow because it gives a lift to this area and most people want to lift. Now that's the only areas that I tend to bake because these add the brightness and the lift that I want and the inner brightness that I want without going too far into this section here where it wrinkles and creases the most. And there's the areas that I think look the most beautiful when baking because it just gives a wonderful kind of lifted effect to the face. Let me know your favorite baking methods if you bake at all, right down there in the description bar, and products used are down there too. Thanks for watching and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.